pick it up, put it away. Okay, little helpers, it's cleanup time. Let's put everything back in its home. Ready? Let's go! Pick it up, put it away. Pick it up, put it away. Everything has its own little home. Put it where it belongs today. Pick it up, put it away. Pick it up, put it away. We had fun and we played. Now it's time to put our things away. Pick up the colors one by one. We're cleaning up, but we're having fun. 1 color, 2 colors, 3 colors, 4, 5 colors, 6 colors, 7 colors more. Put them in the box, put them in their home. Don't leave the little colors all alone. Pick them up, put them away. Pick them up, put them away. Pick it up, put it away. Pick it up, put it away. Everything has its own little home. Put it where it belongs today. Pick up the papers, stack them up straight. 1 on top, wow, you're doing great. Stack up the papers, stack them with care. No little papers left anywhere. Now find the books lying on the floor. Pick up one and pick up one more. Books on the shelf standing in a row. Pick them up, go, go, go. Stack them on the shelf, stack them on the shelf. You can do it all by yourself. Pick it up, put it away. Pick it up, put it away. Look to the left, look to the right. Find every toy that's still inside. Pick it up, put it back. Keep on cleaning, don't lose track. Blocks in the basket, cars in the bin. Pick up the pieces and put them all in. Dolls in their home, balls in their place. Look at that clean and happy space. Every little piece is important too. Find the missing pieces, 1 and 2. When we lose the pieces we cannot play, so put every little piece away. Put it in its home where it belongs, so we can play another day, all day long. Now find the trash lying on the floor. Pick up 1 piece, then look for more. Wrappers and tissue scraps from today. Pick up the trash and throw it away. Trash in the trash can, not on the ground. Look to the left and look all around. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Pick up the trash, throw it away. Check by the table, check by the chair. Is there any little trash hiding there? Pick it up, throw it away. Keep our room clean every day. Pick it up, put it away. Pick it up, put it away. Everything has its own little home. Put it where it belongs today. We had fun and we played. Now it's time to put our things away. Find your shoes, 1, 2. Here's the left and here's the right shoe. Put them together side by side in the little home where the shoes reside. Pick up the clothes lying on the ground. Look all around, what can be found? Shirts in the basket, socks go in 2. Find both socks, 1 and 2. Clear the floor, it's time to put it away. Clear the floor, it's time to put it away. Look under the table, look under the chair. Is there 1 more toy hiding under there? Pick it up, put it away. Are almost finished. Hooray, hooray! 1 more block, 1 more book. Take 1 last little cleanup look. Any trash, throw it away. Any toys, put them away. Nothing on the floor, everything is clear. Give yourself a great big cheer. Pick it up, put it away. Pick it up, put it away. Everything has its own little home. Put it where it belongs today. We had fun and we played, and now we put our things away. Everything is ready, everything's okay, so we can play with it another day. We picked it up, we put it away. We found the trash, we threw it away. Great job, little helpers. Hip, hip, hooray.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It'll help us reach more little hearts.